Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDT from your Coinbase wallet to MetaMask in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step process will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First off, before we begin, make sure you have both a Coinbase account with USDT in your wallet and MetaMask installed on your device. Also, double-check that MetaMask is set to the Ethereum network, as USDT is an ERC20 token. This is crucial to avoid any transaction errors. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet on your browser or mobile app. Click on your account icon in the top right corner and copy your wallet address. This is the destination where your USDT will go, so handle it with care. Step 2. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the Assets section. Find your USDT balance and click on the Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to select the network. Make sure it's Ethereum for compatibility with MetaMask. Step 3. In the withdrawal form, paste the wallet address you copied from MetaMask. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Review the details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this through email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for security. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed on the blockchain, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Step 5. Head back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. You should see your USDT arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip. Always be aware of gas fees on Ethereum. They can fluctuate, so withdraw during off-peak times to save costs. And never share your wallet keys. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.